What's going on, homesteaders? This is Ready Set Homestead here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my I already opened it but haven't taken anything out yet. This is my 10-inch sliding compound miter saw. So I'm going to be building the chicken coop pretty soon and really have no idea how to do that, but it's a lot easier if you have some sort of power tool to do it. If not, you always got a handsaw. So I'm going to be going ahead and open this and let's see what we got. So we got it's gonna be the sawdust bag. No clue what these are. They look like legs. This is gonna be some sort of clamp. Instructions. Product registration. We all know that we all do these. Don't eat this. I'm not gonna be keeping this box, so I'm just gonna cut it open. It's going to be a lot easier to get everything out. Yep. So luckily, it looks like for the most part, it is all together. There's not going to be a whole lot of assembly required, which makes me very, very happy. All right, see what we got. All right, so it holds it down. Now I did choose to get the miter saw instead of the table saw, just because it's more versatile. Stuff to cut over here. Oh. And we're back. Make sure whenever you're cutting anything, you always cut away from you. Don't cut towards you. I've gotten plenty enough cuts in my life. Man, this thing just keeps sliding all over the place. We're back. All right, there we are. Hey. So yeah, make sure you're always cutting away from yourself. I've had enough cuts in my lifetime that I don't want any more. So what are these? This is pretty self-explanatory. Just gonna go just like that. So these actually slide in on the sides. You can see it in the picture. Good Lord, my dog keeps hitting this table. So this guy is going to go in right here, maybe. I don't know. Oh, there's a screw in there. All right, let's actually read the directions. Porter, come on. I'm a big fan. Good Lord. There's a lot of parts and stuff to this. Features. So these are table extensions. This is called your work clamp. Where that? So this goes right here. That's it. It doesn't like screw in or anything. So dust bag. It says a wrench is included with this. I don't see a wrench anywhere. Hey Porter, come on! Get over here! Sorry, my dog is bugging the neighbor's kid. Where's the wrench? I found it. Good Lord, no. Good Lord, no. Jesus. Having some issues here. All right. There is a little screw here, which I'm guessing goes into this hole right here. So, be right back. All right, I had to put Port of the Brew Dog inside because he keeps running over and jumping on the neighbor's grandson. So he's got to stay inside for a minute. All right. Oh, cool. So here I went and got a screwdriver. The blade wrench actually has a screwdriver on it. So I think mine's still gonna be easier. Makes you wonder why they didn't just put this on there, but I mean, I guess for shipping maybe. I mean, whatever. Don't fall. Love of God, don't fall on me. All right, I gotta go put pants on because these bugs are eating my legs up. All right, so had to change pants, put on jeans because the bugs were eating up my legs, which they usually don't, but hey, it's Louisiana and it's freaking hot. So now I'm wearing jeans and it's like 98 degrees. But I got my hydration, so we're good on that. And let's finish this guy up. So. I also, right now I have my GoPro sitting on a ice pack because it overheated and stopped recording. All right, so fun stuff. The camera overheated and then somehow it stopped recording. All right, bro, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I lost again. I got this whole thing set up. All right, so my camera keeps overheating, so I'm gonna try and make this quick right here. Got everything set up, I got it plugged in. So with this, I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it to show you the rest of this. All right, so this piece right here, when you loosen it, allows you to change the degree of the cut. So the entire thing moves. We'll tighten it back up. I got these on, table extender, whatever that's for. This right here, there's a little button. So this button allows me to move so I can cut different angles as well, depending on what kind of wood I'm working with, how long it is, how wide it is. So various measuring devices here. You come down, the blade opens, it comes up, the blade closes. Of course, sawdust exhaust goes into that bag right there. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out. We'll go ahead and plug it up and see how it works. So I do have this board. I'm gonna use this to actually make sawhorses. So that's gonna be in the next video. It'll be linked at the very end. But I need these to be, where is it? 3.5 feet, 42 inches. Okay. See how this little work clamp works. Hey man, that works. I kind of wasn't expecting that to work, but it does. It's so weird. It doesn't pull out either. So cool. All right. It does have a safety switch up here. So with the safety switch, you press that before you cut. So make sure. Yep, we're good. Something's blocking me. What's stopping me? Aha! See, I've actually never used one where it slides before. So I gotta go in. weird. I can't just go straight down. I gotta come out. Okay. Hey, never worked. It's not right. But doesn't go all the way back. Instructions. Oh, son of a... I figured it out. This has to be on the other side. You ever make one of those mistakes that just makes you feel like you're stupid? Ta-da. All right, so there you have it. I don't know what I'm doing, and this is my miter saw. Check out the next video. I'll link it at the very end, and it's gonna be how to make a sawhorse. We'll see how that one goes. All right, ready, set, homestead. Catch you later.